killing me. You took care of the cat already, and for those who think it's heavy, is it the truth, or is it only gossip? Call it mystery or anything, oh, just as long as you call me. I sent the message on, did you get it when I left it? See this catastrophic event, it wasn't meant to mean no harm, and to think there's nothing wrong would be a problem. I'm looking for love this time, sounding hopeful, but it's making me cry. Love is a mystery, love is a mystery. Mr. Curiosity, be Mr. Please, do come and find me. Do come and find me. Find me. Mr. Curiosity, be Mr. Please, do come and find me. Love is blinded all the time and seldom right. Or who am I to beg for difference? Finding love in just an instant, I don't mind. At least I tried.